Listen, if you're looking for the place, let's say, to blow up your business, to get views, to get conversions, not only that, but for professional content, whether that be with a human creator or let's say an AI actor, can't even tell the difference, then UGC Team, that is where you need to go. Let's go ahead and talk about it. When I tell you that UGC Team is literally the one place that you need to go to, especially whenever it comes to, say, blowing up your brand, not only that, getting those conversions and getting massive amounts of attention along with professional content, as you guys can see right here, then I want you guys to understand, I mean it. UGC is definitely for me, it's for you, it's for everybody, okay? So if we dive right into it, you guys can see we got real creativity. It drives viral content. Yes, it does. And you guys can see that we do have actors here. I'm just going to go ahead and make it clear, you guys. You are going to be able to get yourselves a human actor, okay? Or it could be a AI actor, okay? I'm going to tell you guys right now, once they go through the whole process of making this content within as little as 7 days, you're not going to be able to tell the difference. Is it human or is it AI? That's actually pretty interesting, right? But once again, you guys, the overall goal here is to blow up your brand, get those conversions, and help you go viral, okay? So if we take a look here, you guys, they do have a contact us now button. We'll talk about that more towards the end of the video. But you guys will see all of these press releases, they are scrolling. I even got one right here. So everyone is talking about this, you guys, okay? Look at that. Yahoo Finance. This is big, okay? You can kind of scroll through here and you guys can see that they do provide a fresh approach to short form video production for individuals, brands, and agencies, all right? Looking to stay relevant. And that's something kind of hard to do nowadays, right? Without going out of style pretty quick. But you guys will see right here, I mean, they literally offer everything, right? So, which is actually pretty cool, okay? So it provides copywriting, editing, multi-platform publishing support. We got PPC advertisers, right? It's great for, you know, those who use that, right? Which is awesome. Our sponsor today is going to help you find quality leads, even if you think you were lost and can't find any new clients. Lead Sniper has been in the game for a very, very long time, and they have helped thousands of marketers, including myself. So the fact that they actually want me to sponsor them today actually makes me really happy, or let's say extremely happy. If you need targeted data that actually converts into real results, then Lead Sniper, you guys, it is for you. They have a Google Map Scraper, Google Search Scraper, Yellow Page Scraper, and a lot more tools that are coming out very, very, very soon. So go ahead, check out the link down below in the description, dive into Lead Sniper today, and let's go ahead and get right back to the video. So anyways, I want you guys to understand, I mean, they're gaining a massive amount of attention here, and that is what we like. If we scroll down, you guys can see right here, go from 0 to viral. That's awesome, right? With high engagement. So we got human creatives, provides you with perfect fusion of real creators and smart AI tools. We got scalable campaigns, go viral on a daily basis with a strategic approach to creating and engaging at scale. And then we even have personal service, all right? They're a dedicated in-house team and ensures that your next viral video is just one conversation away. I like that. I like that, okay? So the only UGC partner that you need, right? We're talking about 9 billion, your new global audience. That's awesome, okay? So they got Instagram Reels, we got YouTube Shorts, we got Facebook Reels, and much more, okay? And just go ahead and tell you guys right now, if we kind of scroll down, you guys will see there's a whole bunch of little videos here that you can actually check out, right? I'm telling you guys right now, once again, these are professional. You can't tell the difference if it's human or if it's AI. Kind of scary, right? But hey, it gets the job done, okay? So why use UGC? Well, you guys, we're talking about they provide a toolkit, right? Your brand has been waiting for, all right? So human creatives, obviously it's affordable, right? Content delivery, technically it is in as little as 7 days. Okay, so we're talking about 60% cheaper than competitors, which is great. Okay, and you guys will even see right here creative cutting edge. So I like this a lot. So you guys will see right here we got like Poo Prime, we got fulfillment, we got lead snipers. Not only that, if we take a look here, you guys can see this is one of the overall Instagrams, right? And technically you guys they can create these, they can manage them, they can you know, upload content, everything for your brand. They can handle everything, which is actually really good. Okay, so you guys will see right here client, client, and client, right? So web scraping made comfortable, right? Or technically scrapping, let's just say that. We have the best services in drop shipping from China. We got the most reliable broker for Forex and CFD trading, right? And look at this. We got views, we got videos, we got conversions, we got clicks, we got CVR percentage. You guys, they handle literally everything for you. You don't even have to do anything. I'm going to be honest with you. You don't. It's just one conversation away. Okay. So you guys will even see right here really good reviews. Look at this. I was hesitant at first, but UGC Team was professional and fast. Their work helped me get better results on TikTok and Instagram. I like that, right? And you guys can see right here that they talk about how they run ads all the time on TikTok and Instagram. However, UGC Team, the videos, they hit all the marks, right, for fresh and fast content. Okay. So yeah, you guys, if you'd like to reach out to them, they have the contact now button right there. They got it right here. Scroll up, you guys will even see right here. We got another one, right? So typically they are everywhere, you guys. They are here for you, okay? So if we take a look here at this contact form, we just got company name, full name, we got email, role, we got, you know, monthly, right? What is your... What is your monthly advertising spending? Where did you hear about us, right? You can click anything here, right? And you guys can see and leave a message, okay? And they're going to be able to get you started, okay? That is what they're looking to do, okay? So ladies and gents, once again, there you have it, UGC Team, probably the best in the game, you guys. And as I mentioned, if you're looking to literally get things moving with your you know, maybe your social medias, maybe your business, maybe your agency, whatever the case may be, UGC, they are the ones. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, why should you choose UGC? Well, as I mentioned multiple times, you guys, they're going to be able to make you go viral. They're going to be able to blow up your social media, your business, your agency. They're going to be able to help you get those conversions. They are going to be able to get you noticed. Not only that, you guys, professional content creations. They literally handle everything for you. All right. So smash up that like button, smash up the subscribe button, leave a comment and tell me what you think. And be sure to click that notification bell and stay tuned for the next video.